Oh man. Hello YouTube. It's been a long time since I've said that. I was on a pretty long hiatus, but you know what? We're back and I got some news. So we are back on a Honda CRF 250L. It's a 2017. So living that dual sport life now, and we're actually going to go out to the Jean Dry Lake bed and go take her for a spin out in the dirt and see how she handles. It's been a long time since I've rode a dirt bike, but I threw some bark busters on her, and you know, I'd say she's good to go. And we got rid of the big ugly mirrors and put just a small bar-in mirror on it. So yeah, we're gonna go out to the dry lake bed and we're gonna go see how she handles. So we're out here at the dry lake bed. The dry lake bed's that over there, that big, long, very nice shit to ride on. But I wanted to stop and show you this. So this is one of our, I guess, landmarks you could say out here. It's fairly recent, last couple of years. I remember we came out to the dry lake bed and then we went home, and the next day we came, these were here. So it draws a lot of tourist attraction. As you can see, a lot of people come out here. It kind of brings more people out towards the lake bed, and people that don't know are probably like, oh, you know, let's get some bikes and stuff. But I wanted to stop and show you guys this because you know, I think it's really cool, and I think the fact that this was done overnight is really insane. Like they literally did this. It's one guy. I think he had a crew with him though, but he did this in one night. So it's a really cool thing to see and come out here and show you guys. But there's the lake bed, and there's a ton of trails out there. So that's where we're gonna go ride today, guys. And you know, I'll see you in a couple of seconds. This right here, we used to hit this shit. It's like really sandy, I think. But it's really fun to hit. And it's probably better to hit it in first than hit it in second. And there's another one on the other side, but it's good to kind of hit it. It feels, I mean, it feels nice. It's not bad, dude. Even for it being kind of sandy. Shit. I lost the front end. It's pretty fucking sandy, dude. Hey, look, there's some other dirt bikers. So maybe I'm not out here alone. Maybe they want to hit some hill climbs. Yeah, like I said, this is my first time back in the dirt in a really long time. So I'm trying, man. On a brand new bike too. I mean, this bike has 80 miles on it, so I'm gonna try and take it, like, be kind of okay with it. Fuck, man. Yeah, I gotta get better at that. I should have stretched before this, dude. So this is the other one that we would hit. So you come up and you find the rut, and it's super dusty, but you would just fucking hit it. And it's like, I gotta get better at riding. That's why I'm out here, man. Every day is a learning experience. Every day is, you know, you can learn more and more being out here. It's like nobody's better than anybody. I mean, really. Because when it comes down to it, dude, there's shit that you get stuck in out here, or there's shit you can't do, and it just happens. But it's fucking, I mean, it's fun. It's one of the best feelings in the world, dude. Granted, as well, I'm still recording, right? Yeah. Granted, this little 250L, dude, for being a 250, I'm getting bad arm pump already. I'm not even riding, dude. I gotta keep my arms up. Granted, like I said, this little 250L is a fucking monster, dude. It's heavy. It's like, I don't even want to know how much the 450L weighs, dude. Like, Jesus. Like, this is not a comfortable bike. I mean, not a light bike by any means. And that's kind of how you want to do it. I need to give it more gas going through there. I mean, that's a pretty decent hill climb right here. Oh yeah, that's a piece of cake, man. Just right up. Like that wasn't even difficult. You know, I mean, I hear people talk about this bike like it's got a real hard time to, or it's like really hard to get it fucking up on the hills and shit, man. Because of its like it doesn't have a lot of torque, but I don't know, man. It went straight up right there, and that was a little bit steeper than the other one. Or like, you know, so I mean, I don't really know, man. Maybe it's not as bad as everyone kind of makes it out to seem. Because, I mean, it goes right up. So, that's pretty cool. There's a trail right here. Oh, that was a rock. We're going to take this trail, see where it goes. Yeah, suspension is super soft, man. Some whoops coming up. Oh, that's a big whoop. Here we go. Woo. Yeah, I mean, it's not terrible, man. It's definitely a capable little bike. I'm going like 25 miles an hour through this, which is, I don't know, man. My buddy Frankie could nail through this like it's nothing. Because, I mean, to him, dude, this shit is nothing. He's a really good rider. Can't wait till he's back out here, man, and I could be riding with him. So, really cool thing about out here, for the most part, I'm gonna go actually go see if I can do that hill climb. It's pretty gnarly, dude, but if you keep going this way, you get into some hard enduro shit, dude. Lots of rocks. You know, I mean, it's hard for sure. Oh, whoops. Oh well, slipped the clutch on accident. But it's really nice out that way. If you go back down, there's just a ton of trails that way. Ton of trails just fucking everywhere. So we're gonna go see if we can do the hill climb. We're gonna go back down. Let's see, do we want really hard sand that's hard, or sand and rocks? So we got two choices: sand and rocks, or sand with whoops. This is like sand, rock, and whoops. So I think we're gonna go with the I think we're gonna go with the sand, rock, and whoops instead of just the sand and whoops. Am I not in first gear? Motherfucker. I was like in second gear. I didn't even know it. Oh God. Always look ahead. Find your next path instead of... This thing's getting hot, man. I can feel the radiator on my leg. Oh shit. Now we're back in sand. Oh. throw that in second, because fuck, dude, first gear. But it's pretty sandy, dude, as you can see. Fuck, man. That's not what you want to do when you're out here by yourself. Bike's hot, fans on. Yeah, so that's not what you want to do. Like I said, it's sandy out here, man. It gets stuck. But we'll get it out. It's not that hard. Oh, we do want to try this again, though, dude. See if I can do it this time. I guess it is pretty fucking steep if you think about it, dude, because right now, looking at it, man, that's a steep climb. We'll try it, though. Let's get this bike out of here first. Let's see. We're digging a hole, man. Fuck, get into neutral. Thank you. Okay. Fuck, dude, this is fucking heavy. Yeah, we're sunken in there, man. We're in there. All right, let's see. Let's see. This is the problem with this bike, man. It is fucking... ow, it's got my boot. Ow. Alright. It's fucking heavy, dude. Alright, let's go like this. Alright, I think we're, for the most part, out. It's fucking flooded it. That's okay though. We'll get it started too. I fucking flooded it, man. It's fucking hot out here. Just go like this. We'll get it started right now. All right. See, even if you don't want to lay your bike down, ever, I gotta adjust my mirror. Not that it matters, I'm in the road, but even if you never want to lay your bike down, you think you're never gonna do it, sometimes, man, you just have to. Sometimes it's the only thing that you can do. Alright, so should we try the hill climb? We might get stuck again. But we're gonna try it anyways. Because that's what fucking this is all about, man. Trial and error. So we're in first gear right now. Somehow we knocked it into neutral. Oh, fuck. Okay, maybe not. Maybe from a running start right here. Fuck, dude. Oh, we gotta go back down. It's slick. It's fucking sandy, man. It's sandy. That's not an easy hill climb. Stop it. Fuck, this thing's a fucking behemoth, dude. I tried to, I was gonna try and rip the wheel around, man. But this bitch is heavy. We're still recording. I want to try it. I need to get it before the GoPro dies. But it's a fucking hard hill climb. Okay, I'm in first. I got bucked. Not enough power. That's definitely a first gear, dude. I mean, we got up. I mean, dude, I don't think this GoPro is gonna really capture how steep this is, but it's 100%, dude, without a doubt in my mind, is a first gear hill climb. It's 100% a first gear hill climb, and I don't think I'm gonna get all the way up. I think I'm gonna try to get to there so I can. There's like a little, like I said, a little divot. So pretty much, you go up and you can make a left right there, and you can go down that side, and it's easier. But this is 100% a first gear hill climb. So we're gonna try it again, and this time in first gear. This shit is so sandy. And I'm sure it doesn't look like it, but that's where I got stuck. Right there. And this is I mean, it's 100% sand through and through. It's a fucking, I mean, it's a ride, dude. So we're gonna try it one more time, and then from there we're just gonna go ride some more trails, man. All right, we're in first gear. Fuck, dude. No way. There's no way. At least not right now. Let's go ride some more trails, guys. Because holy fuck. Dude, is that a hill climb, man? Fuck this. Oh shit, I gotta lift my helmet up. Yeah, that is 100%, dude, a hard hill climb. And I don't think I'm gonna be able to do that right now. I gotta get better riding first. But holy shit. The first time I ever tried it, I ate shit, so I was expecting to do that again. And I didn't eat shit, thankfully, but I got stuck in that big ass pit where that big blue rock is down there. So that's where I was. That's where I am now. That's where I was last second. I made a U-turn right there. So it's farther up, but fuck, dude, that is hard. Can't do that, man. I gotta go get some little easier hill practices in. So sit up on your gas tank. And let's, that's such a big hole. It's so sandy. You don't even have any, and granted, these tires don't help at all, dude. But you 100% have no traction. Like, the bike doesn't hook up. The entire way up, I could feel my back tire sliding out. What is that, dude? There's like some, like, I don't know if it's dog prints. Yeah, I don't know if that's dog prints or if that's something else. But it is 100%. There's like some prints, not the track, but there's some prints. They started back there and came down, and then they went over that way. As you can see them, they kind of look like, back there they looked a little bit more like dog prints, but I'm not quite sure, man. I mean, there's wildlife out here. We got like fennec foxes or whatever they're called, and holy shit, I'm going fast through these fucking whoops. I was not expecting that. All right, here's the idea. We go left to right, left to right, left to right. We're gonna go straight. Hey, little chipmunk. I saw him. He ran over there. Whoops. Woo. I know where I am now. Here comes some gnarly fucking whoops, dude. So it's still a little wet over here, man. But we're back out at the lake bed. We're gonna keep trying to do this little thing, man, because it's fun. We're back in the actual lake bed, but we're gonna stop real quick and drink some more water. Yeah, that hill climb is hard, man. Like fucking 100%. I think that's fucking gnarly. Alright, what's my battery at? It's about to die, guys, so fuck. I gotta get some new batteries. I'm happy I got some riding in today. It'll be a quick video. Pretty much, I'm back though. So I'm gonna continue to try and upload some videos. And I thank all you guys for watching. And before this camera dies, if you'd like and subscribe. Feel free to leave comments and stuff and tell me how bad I am at riding. And I hope all you guys have a wonderful day, because I know that I'm about to, and then that fucking long ride home. But yeah, thanks everybody, and I'll see you later. Peace.